What's what's up, guys? It's Jonathan with One Big Impact. Really quick, I just want to give my review on this brownie keto blender. I can't remember if I tried this one or not. I did buy 3 new ones, so maybe I'll try them today, maybe I won't. I have a lot more calorie availability right now with what I'm doing with powerlifting. So um, basically, it's 3 net carbs. It's made by Birch benders. That's the same company that does the keto pancakes and the keto like syrup, maple syrup. So I'm curious to see. I think the other one was Duncan Hines, actually, believe it or not. So you can see the consistency. It's almost like a mud cake. Something. You see that? 60 seconds to cook. They're not super cheap, like $2. But I mean, if you think about it, any kind of sweet thing or whatever, they're going to get you on because they know you like it. So that literally tastes just like brownies. Literally. You see it? Smoking. Consistency is literally just like a brownie. Wow. That is good. Hell yeah. Anyway, that's a win for sure. Sorry. Over here making love to the brownies. If you're new here, check us out on Facebook. Our group is called Healthy Living for a Healthy Life. See you later.